Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Are you struggling to get a handle on your personal finances? Or maybe you've been searching for a way to create a budget that actually works? Well, in this video, we're discussing AI with ChatGPT and how it can help you assess, budget, and manage your personal finances. We will explore easy prompts you can use to create a personalized budget, analyze your spending, and plan for your financial goals, all with the help of ChatGPT. Let's get started. When we talk about ChatGPT, it is a game changer for personal finance. It simplifies everything. All you need to know are your income and expenses. Let me show you how easy it is. Here's the first prompt you can use. Based on my monthly income of X dollars and these expenses, list your expenses, create a detailed budget plan for me. Let's plug in some numbers. Say you earn $4,000 a month and your expenses include rent, groceries, utilities, and entertainment. Watch how ChatGPT creates a clear and actionable budget for you in seconds. Here's a detailed budget plan based on your monthly income of $4,000 and the given expenses. Total monthly income, $4,000. 2. Monthly expenses, rent, $800. Groceries, $1,000. Transportation, $200. Other expenses, $700. 3. Budget breakdown, essentials, fixed and necessary. Rent, $800, 20% of your income. Groceries, $1,000, 25% of your income. Transportation, $200, 5% of your income. Flexible expenses, other expenses, $700, 17.5% of your income. This could include utilities, entertainment, savings, dining out, or other variable costs. 4. Savings and investments. To build a sustainable financial future, allocating a portion to savings or investments is essential. Here's a suggested savings plan based on the remaining balance. Emergency savings. Allocate 10% of your income for emergencies. This is $400 per month. Retirement savings investments. Another 10% of your income, $400, can go toward retirement savings or investments, such as a 401k, IRA, or other investment vehicles. And savings and investment allocation. Emergency fund, 410% of your income. Retirement savings investments, $400, 10% of your income. 5. Total expenses breakdown. Essentials, $2,000, 50% of your income. Rent, groceries, transportation. Flexible discretionary expenses, $700, 17.5% of your income. Savings and investments, $800, 20% of your income. Remaining balance, $500, 12.5% of your income. Verse 6, recommendations. Track your spending. Regularly track your expenses to ensure you are staying within your planned budget and identify areas to save. Adjust if necessary. If you find you're not spending all of your other expenses category, consider increasing your savings or investment contributions. Emergency fund priority. Ensure you are building your emergency fund first before focusing on other discretionary spending. Sample monthly budget plan summary, category, amount, percentage of income. Income, $4,000, 100%. Rent, 800%. Groceries, $1,000, 25%. Transportation, $200, 5%. Other expenses, $700, 17.5%. Emergency savings, $400, 10%. Retirement savings, 10%. Remaining balance, $500, 12.5%. This budget plan can be adjusted over time as your financial situation or priorities change. Now that we have a basic budget, what if you want to save for a big goal like a vacation or a new car? Here's another prompt to make ChatGPT refine your budget. Adjust my budget to allocate 20% of my income towards savings for a vacation within 6 months. Adjust my budget to allocate 20% of my income towards savings for a vacation within 6 months. Let's try it out. See how ChatGPT reshuffles the budget to meet your savings goal. To adjust your budget and allocate 20% of your income for a vacation within 6 months, we need to ensure that the 20% savings goal is met while keeping your essential and flexible expenses in balance. Here's the updated budget plan. 1. Total monthly income. Income, $4,000. 2. Monthly expenses. Rent, $800. Groceries, $1,000. Transportation, $200. Other expenses, $700. 3. Updated budget breakdown. To allocate 20% of your income for vacation savings, that would amount to $800 per month, 4,000 by 20%. New savings allocation. Vacation savings, 800s, 20% of your income. This savings will be set aside specifically for your vacation within 6 months. Revised savings and investments plan. Since you are now prioritizing vacation savings, you can adjust your emergency savings or retirement contributions accordingly. Here's a suggestion. Emergency savings reduced to $200 5% of income. Retirement savings investments reduced to $200 5% of income. This ensures that your savings for the vacation goal remain a priority while still saving for emergencies and retirement, although at a reduced rate. 4. New expenses breakdown. Essentials, fixed and necessary. Rent, $800, 20% of income. Groceries, $1,000, 25% of income. Transportation, $200, 5% of income. Other expenses, $700, 17.5% of income. Savings, vacation savings, $800, 20% of income. Emergency savings, $200, 5% of income. Retirement savings investments, $200% of income. #5, updated total budget summary, category amount percentage of income. Income, 4,100%. Rent, 820%. Groceries, $1,000, 25%. Transportation, 5%. Other expenses, $700, 17.5%. Vacation savings, vacations, $800, 20%. Emergency savings, $200, 5%. Retirement savings, $200, 5%. Remaining balance, $300.5%. 6. Recommendations for vacation savings. Vacation fund allocation. The $800 for vacation savings each month will accumulate to $4,800 in 6 months, which can help you plan a comfortable vacation. Monitor progress. Regularly check if the $800 is on track. If you can find ways to cut back on discretionary spending, like reducing other expenses, you can increase your vacation savings even further. This updated budget should allow you to achieve your vacation savings goal while maintaining a solid foundation for emergency savings and retirement planning. Okay, let's go a step further. What if you're not sure where your money is going? Here's a prompt for analyzing your spending habits. Analyze my expenses and suggest areas where I can cut costs to save more. Let's give it a try. Maybe you're spending too much on dining out or streaming services. ChatGPT will highlight these areas and even suggest alternatives to help you save. Here's an analysis of your current expenses with suggestions on where you could cut costs to save more. We'll look at each category and identify potential savings opportunities. 1. Rent. 820% of income. Analysis. Rent is often the largest fixed expense, and reducing it can have a significant impact on savings. Suggestions. Downsize. If possible, consider moving to a smaller place or a location with lower rent. Even reducing rent by $100 to $200 a month could give you extra savings. If you're open to it, getting a roommate could help split rent costs. 2. Groceries. $1,000, 25% of income. Analysis. Groceries are a necessary expense, but they can also be one of the easiest categories to adjust by altering spending habits. Suggestions. Meal planning. Create a weekly meal plan to avoid buying unnecessary items and reduce food waste. Bulk buying. Purchase non-perishable items in bulk, e.g., grains, canned goods, to take advantage of lower prices. Store brands. Switch to store or generic brands for common items like milk, bread, and canned goods. Coupons and discounts. Use coupons, cashback apps, or discount programs to save on groceries. Reduce dining out. Cut back on eating out or ordering takeout, which could save $100 to $200 per month. 3. Transportation. 5% of income. Analysis. Your transportation costs are already relatively low. However, small adjustments might provide further savings. Suggestions. Public transportation. If you're not already using public transport, consider switching from driving to buses or trains, which might be cheaper. Carpool or ride sharing. If you drive, carpooling with a colleague or using ride sharing apps like Uber Pool might reduce your costs. Fuel efficiency. If you own a car, ensure it's well maintained to optimize fuel efficiency. Cutting down on unnecessary trips will also reduce your spending. 4. Other expenses. $700, 17.5% of income. Analysis. This category likely includes discretionary spending like entertainment, dining, subscriptions, or hobbies. This is where the most flexibility for cutting costs exists. Suggestions. Subscriptions. Review all subscriptions, e.g., Netflix, gym membership, music services. Cancel those you don't use or downgrade to cheaper plans. Entertainment. Look for low-cost or free alternatives to entertainment. For example, streaming services or free events like community festivals or museum days instead of paid concerts and activities. Dining out. Limit dining out to special occasions and reduce regular restaurant or takeaway visits. Non-essential shopping. Cut back on non-essential purchases like clothes, gadgets, and entertainment. Focus on needs rather than wants. 5. Savings adjustments. Since you're focusing on vacation savings, here's how cost cutting can be redirected. Reallocate savings. Any savings you make from cutting back on discretionary spending can be funneled directly into your vacation fund. Automate savings. Once you've reduced costs, consider setting up an automatic transfer to your vacation fund each month to ensure you stay on track. Summary of potential cost-cutting areas. Expense category. Potential savings. Size. Consider a roommate. Groceries. Meal planning, bulk buying, store brands, using coupons. Transportation. Public transport, carpool, or improve fuel efficiency, $25 to $50. Other expenses. Cut subscriptions, reduce dining out, limit non-essential shopping, free entertainment, $200. Projected total savings, $425 to $750 per month. By implementing these changes, you could free up anywhere from $425 to $750 per month. This additional savings could be redirected toward your vacation fund, increasing your ability to save for the trip without sacrificing too much in other areas of your life. And finally, ChatGPT isn't just for monthly budgets. You can also use it for long-term financial planning. Try this prompt. Help me create a 5-year financial plan based on my current income, expenses, and a goal to save $50,000. Check this out. ChatGPT breaks it down year by year, showing how much you need to save and even suggesting strategies to stay on track. This is perfect for big picture thinkers. It includes savings goals, expense management strategies, and an investment approach to help you reach your target. Here's how we can structure your financial plan. Tasks 1. Current financial overview. Monthly income, $4,000. Monthly expenses. Rent, $800. Groceries, $1,000. Transportation, $200. Other expenses, $700. Total monthly expenses, $700. Remaining income for savings life, $4,000 minus $2,700, $300. Your current monthly savings potential is $1,300. But we'll aim to increase this through cost-cutting measures and focused saving strategies. 2. Savings goal, $50,000 in 5 years. To achieve a goal of $50,000 over 5 years, we can break this down into monthly, annual, and total amounts. Monthly savings target, $50,000 divided by 60 months equals $833.33 a month. This is the amount you need to save each month for the next 5 years to reach your goal. 3. Budget and savings strategy. Since you currently have a savings potential of $1,300 a month, you are already exceeding your monthly savings goal of $833.33 by $466.60 each month. However, we'll need to keep this amount consistent over time while managing any changes in your income or expenses. Here's how you can plan your budget and savings. A. Savings allocation. Monthly savings goal, $833.33 to reach $50,000 in 5 years. Extra savings, $466.67 to provide flexibility for unexpected expenses or emergencies. B, expense management. As discussed earlier, there are areas where you can cut costs. By implementing these cost saving strategies, you could free up an additional $425, $750 per month. Let's target the middle value of $585 per month as extra savings that you can add to your monthly goal. Your new total monthly savings potential after cost cutting. Existing savings potential $1,300. Additional savings from cost cutting $585. Total monthly savings $1,885. You now have more flexibility to achieve your goal or even exceed it by saving more than required. Investment and growth options. To help grow your savings, consider adding an investment plan to your strategy. Here are some options for your consideration. High interest savings account, a safe option to keep funds liquid while earning interest. Interest rates are usually low, but the risk is minimal. Robo-advisors, automated investment platforms that create a diversified portfolio for you, often with low fees. You could start with a conservative portfolio if you're risk averse. Stock market or index funds, a higher risk option with potential for higher returns. You could allocate a portion of your savings toward these investments if you're comfortable with market fluctuations. Retirement account, IRA or 401k. While this is long term, contributing to a retirement account could be a tax efficient way to save and invest for your future. SHAD example investment strategy. If you invest $833 a month into a balanced portfolio with an average annual return of 7%, your savings will grow faster than if you keep it all in a savings account. Investment projection. For $833 a month investment at 7% return over 5 years, future value $66,755 exceeds your $50,000 goal. This is a simplified projection, but it highlights the power of compounded returns in growing your savings. 5. Adjustments and tracking. Review annually. Assess your progress each year. Are you meeting your savings goal? Have there been changes in your income or expenses? Adjustments. If you get a raise or bonus, consider increasing your savings rate. Alternatively, if expenses increase unexpectedly, reassess your budget or savings goal. Track spending. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track where you're spending each month. Keep an eye on discretionary expenses that can be reduced further if necessary. 6. Example 5-year financial plan breakdown. Year annual savings goal, total savings, estimated investment value if invested at 7%. Year 1, $10,000, 12x $803.33. 10,400 if invested at 7%. Year 2, $10,000, 20,233 if invested at 7%. Year 3, $10,000, 30,000, $35,545 if invested at 7%. Year 4, $10,000, 40,000, 54 to 44 if invested at 7%. Year 5, $10,000, 50,000, $66,755 if invested at 7%. Total savings at end of year 5, target achieved estimated investment value $66,755 with 7% return rate. 7. Final recommendations. 1. Focus on consistency. Save a fixed amount monthly and avoid dipping into savings unless it's for an emergency. 2. Maximize investment growth. Consider investing a portion of your savings to benefit from compounding returns, especially if you're comfortable with moderate risk. 3. Monitor and adjust. Regularly check your progress and make adjustments to your saving strategy if needed. By following this plan, you will be well on your way to achieving your $50,000 savings goal in 5 years, while also building a solid financial foundation for the future. That's it, folks. With just a few prompts, ChatGPT can revolutionize the way you handle your personal finances. Whether it's budgeting, cutting costs, or planning for the future, AI makes it easier and more accessible than ever. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip. Drop a comment below with your favorite prompt or any other AI tools you're using for finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.